Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the previous session, we had started with the sets data type, and in today's session, let's see more operations on the set data type. Sets provides various operations which can be performed on it. Some of the important ones are the add, update, remove, discard, pop, length, max, min, clear and del. So first let's go on to the add built-in method. So what does this add do? Add adds a single element in the set. So the syntax is add and we have to specify the element which we want to add. And once when we do it, if we give set1.add7, 7 will be added to set1. So let's look into it practically. So let me have my set1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I say set1 dot add and if I specify the element to be added into the set, now if I say print set1, now if I run the code, we can see that the element 7 has been added into the set. So this is what the add function does. It adds a single element into the set. Now let's move on to the second one, which is the update method. Update adds more than one items into the set. So if we have to pass more than one item, we can send it through the update. Here we cannot give separate items. We have to include all the items in an iterable. The iterable in this case can be another set or a tuple or a list. So suppose I have my set 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have my tuple 1 equal to parenthesis 10, 20, 30. So all the items which you want to add, you have to add it within a tuple or a list or another set. And now if I say set2 dot update and tuple 1, the contents of the tuple 1 gets added into the set 2. And now if I say set 2, it will have the combined elements of both set 2 and the tuple 1. So here is the output. The set 2 now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which were part of set 2 and it has added 10, 20, 30 which were part of the tuple 1. In the similar fashion, we can give it in the form of a list also. List 1 with square brackets. We can update the items into set 2. So if I give list 1 and let me add another item called 40. So when I run this, the item 40 has also been included within the list 1. So 10, 20, 30, 40 which was part of list 1 has been added into our set 2. Instead of list 1, we can give another list and we can give it in the curly braces and we can update the another list so that the combined items will be present in set 2. So this is how we can update more than one items into the set. And thirdly, we have the remove function. What does the remove function do? Suppose I have my set 3 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now if I say set 3 dot remove and if I specify the element that is 5. And now if I say print set 3, the element 5 would have been deleted from the set. So now if I run the code, I get 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 has been removed from the set 3. So now if I, for the same set 3, if I give set 3 dot remove, and if I give an element which is not there in the set 3, suppose 8. 8 is not present in set 3 and I am trying to remove element 8 from set 3 which is not present. So it will raise an error, giving the key error, telling that 8 cannot be removed from the set 3. So this is what the remove functionality does in Python. Now let's move on to the discard function. Discard is also similar to remove, that is, it removes an item from the set. But if the item is not present in the set, it does not raise any error. It just ignores the statement. So let me have my set 4 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now let me say set 4 dot discard. And let me say 5. Now let me print my set 4. The element 5 would have been removed from the set 4. That is, it is having only 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 has been discarded from the set 4. Now let me say set 4 dot discard an item which is not present. So let me say 9. 9 is not present in set 4 and I am trying to discard the item. It does not throw any error, it just ignores the statement. Remove through an error, key error, telling that the item is not present in the set. But discard does not throw any error, it just ignores the statement. So this is what the discard function does in Python. And now let's move on to the pop function. So pop function pops out a random element from the set and also removes the element from the set. So let me have my set 5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now if I say set 5 dot pop, and let me assign it to a variable called x. And now let me print my x and let me print set 5. So what does pop function do? It randomly pops out an element from the set and that element will be stored in x. Now if we print x, the popped out element will be printed. And after popping out, it will remove that particular item from the set. So the set 5 will not have the popped out element anymore. So now when I run this particular code, 1 has been popped out. 1 has been popped out, so the set does not have 1. Now if I say, let me say first x. So 1 has been popped out. And now if I say set 5 and the item 1 has been deleted from the set. So it has basically popped out the element and also removed the element out of the set. So set 5 has got 1 deleted from it. So this is how the pop function works in Python. And then we have the length, max, min, clear and delete function. So length function. So suppose I have my set 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And now I want to find out the length of my set. So if I give length of set 6, it gives the length equal to 5, telling that there are 5 items in the set. Similarly, if I give max of length set 6, it will give the maximum element. The maximum element is 5, so it will give the element 5. And now if I give minimum element of the set 6, it will give 1, telling that 1 is the minimum element in the set. Now if I clear my contents of the set, clear set 6, it will clear the contents of set 6. Now when I run the code, I have to specify it as set6 dot clear. Now if I clear it, the contents of the set has been cleared. And now if I say set6, it will give me an empty set. So this is the way it represents an empty set, that is set with empty parentheses. So it tells that the set 6 no more has any elements, it is an empty set. Now if we say del set 6, then the set 6 has been completely deleted. Now if I say print set 6, it gives the message telling that, it gives an error message telling that set 6 is not defined. So it has been completely deleted from the memory. So these are the important functions of the set data type. Important operations which we can perform on the set data type. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.